Welcome to our comprehensive guide on becoming a cloud security engineer. In this presentation, we'll cover everything you need to know to start and succeed in this exciting and fast-growing field. We will explore the role of a cloud security engineer, the skills and education needed, gaining experience, certifications, building a strong profile, and how to stay updated in this ever-evolving industry. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to pivot your career, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Now that we have an overview, let's take a closer look at the role of a cloud security engineer. Imagine you're working at a company that stores customer data in the cloud, such as names, addresses, and credit card numbers. Your job is to ensure this data remains safe from cyber threats. Day to day, you'll be implementing security measures like encryption and access controls to protect this data. You will also be on the lookout for any unusual activity and respond swiftly to any security incident. For example, if a hacker attempts to breach the system, your job is to detect these threats and neutralize it before any damage is done. So why exactly do we need cloud security engineers? The answer lies in the importance of protecting sensitive data. Picture a business that uses cloud service to store critical client information. Without a cloud security engineer, this data is vulnerable to cyber attacks. For instance, a proficient hacker could exploit weak access controls and gain unauthorized access to sensitive data, leading to significant breaches. Cloud security engineers prevent these scenarios by designing and implementing robust security mechanisms like encryption and access controls. They also constantly monitor cloud environment for any unusual activities and respond quickly to threats, ensuring the data remains private and secure. By safeguarding this data, cloud security engineers help maintain trust with stakeholders and clients, which is crucial for any business. A real-world example is the Target data breach in 2013, where hackers stole credit card and personal data of millions of customers. Effective cloud security measures could have prevented such an incident from happening. Let's talk about the educational path to becoming a cloud security engineer. Most employers look for candidates with a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or related field. This foundational education helps you understand the basics of computing and information systems. During your studies, focus on core skills such as programming languages like Java or Python, most especially Python, and get a solid grasp of networking and operating systems. Additionally, taking specialized courses in cybersecurity, encryption, and risk management can give you a significant edge. These courses will help you understand how to protect data and systems from potential threats. For example, learning about operating systems will help you understand how to secure Linux and Windows servers that are commonly used in the cloud environment. Alongside your education, developing the right blend of technical and soft skills is crucial for becoming a successful cloud security engineer. On the technical side, proficiency in programming languages like Java and Python is very essential. These skills allow you to develop and implement security measures in cloud environments. You also need to be well-versed in managing cloud platforms like AWS and Azure and GCP. Those are the three main cloud environments that we have today. We have others as well. Understanding how these platforms operate and their security features is key to securing cloud resources. Familiarity with security frameworks like CIS, which is Center for Internet Security, and NIST, which is National Institute of Standards and Technology, is also very important. These frameworks provide guidelines and best practices for securing cloud systems. Equally important are soft skills. Analytical thinking helps you identify and assess potential security threats. Problem-solving skills enable you to develop solutions to mitigate these threats. Strong communication as well are essential for working with cross-functional teams and conveying complex security concepts in an understandable way. For example, you will often need to explain security protocols to non-technical team members or collaborate with developers to ensure security is integrated into application development. A combination of all these skills will ensure you are fully equipped to take on this role and excel in it. Once you've got the right education and skills, the next step is to gain hands-on experience in the field. Many cloud security engineers start their career in entry-level roles, such as information security analysts or security officers. In these positions, you will be monitoring threats, testing for vulnerabilities, and ensuring compliance with security policies. As you gain experience, you can progress to more advanced roles like security administrator or DevSecOps engineer. In these roles, you would have more responsibilities such as developing and managing security measures and working closely with development and operations teams to integrate security into the software development lifecycle. Practical experience is highly desirable in cybersecurity because it allows you to apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios, understand the complexities of cloud security, and develop problem-solving strategies for different challenges. For instance, working on threat monitoring might involve using tools to detect unusual activities in a cloud environment and responding promptly to mitigate any potential breaches. This hands-on experience is what truly prepares you for a career as a cloud security engineer and helps you build a robust portfolio to showcase to potential employers. We mustn't forget certifications. That is very important. Earning certifications is a great way to validate your skills and knowledge in cloud security. These credentials can significantly enhance your resume and make you more attractive to potential employers. One of the most respected certifications in the field is CISSP. Okay, this globally recognized certification demonstrates your expertise across various domains of cybersecurity. If you plan to work extensively with AWS, pursuing certifications like AWS Solutions Architect and AWS Security Specialty and AWS Security is highly recommended. These certifications show that you can design and implement secure applications on the AWS platform. For those focused on Microsoft Azure, certifications such as Azure Security Engineer Associate and Azure Certified for IoT are valuable. They prove your ability to manage security in Azure environment. Similarly, Google Cloud offers the Professional Cloud Security Engineer certification, which validates your skills in securing Google Cloud environment. These certifications not only enhance your skills, but also open up higher salary bands and better job opportunities for you. For example, a cloud security engineer with an AWS Security Specialty certification is often preferred for roles that require in-depth knowledge of AWS security services and best practices. So, getting a certification should be on your to-do list in the long run if this role appeals to you. Now that you've gotten the education, skills, and certifications, it's time to build a strong professional profile. Start with your resume. Okay, make sure to highlight your relevant experience, certifications, and skills. Focus on your achievement and the impact that you've made in your previous roles. Use action verbs and quantify your accomplishment wherever possible. For example, instead of just saying implemented security measures, you could say implemented advanced security measures that reduce data breaches by 30%. Okay? Your LinkedIn profile is equally important. It's often the first place recruiters look. Ensure your profile is complete and up to date with a professional photo and compelling summary that highlight your expertise in cloud security. Join relevant groups and follow industry leaders to stay updated and network with professionals in your field. Creating a portfolio to showcase your project and hands-on experience can also set you apart. Include details of the project that you've worked on, the challenges you faced, and how you overcame them. For instance, you could include a project where you identified a security vulnerability in a cloud system and implemented a solution that improved the system's security posture. A well-crafted profile not only makes a great first impression, but also demonstrates your dedication and professionalism to potential employers. With a strong profile in place, it's time to dive into the job application process. Start by searching for job opportunities on platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, and specialized job boards for cybersecurity roles. Networking is also crucial. Let your connections know you're looking for opportunities. When you find a job listing that interests you, tailor your resume and cover letter to match the job description. Highlight your relevant experience and how it aligns with the role that you're applying for. Preparing for interviews is the next critical step. Research the company to understand its cultures, values, and the specific challenges they face in cloud security. Practice common interview questions and prepare your answers. For example, you might be asked to describe a time when you had to secure a cloud environment or how you stay updated with the latest security trends. During the interview, be ready to discuss your hands-on experience, the project you've worked on, and the impact of your contributions. After the interview, send a thank you note to express your appreciation for the opportunity and to reiterate your interest in the role. Okay? Follow up on your applications if you have not heard back within a reasonable time frame. The reasonable time frame is within 24 hours. Persistence can sometimes make a big difference. In a field like cloud security, staying updated and continuously learning is essential. Cloud security is always changing with new threats and solutions emerging. To stay ahead, you need to keep up with the latest trends and tools. One way to do this is through ongoing education. Enroll in advanced courses and certifications as they become available. Providers like Cloud Academy and a Cloud Guru offer excellent training resources. Joining forums and online communities such as Reddit Cybersecurity Forum, Spiceworks, and LinkedIn groups can provide you with valuable insight and networking opportunities. These communities often share the latest news, challenges, and solutions in cloud security. And that'll be the end of our masterclass for today on cloud security. If you like this, please remember to like and share and subscribe for more information such as this. I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.